Trading Bitcoin feels exciting. Fast moves, constant stimulation. Charts move fast, too fast to think clearly. Prices swing wildly, up, down, noise everywhere. And the market never sleeps. It pulls you in, constantly. But excitement is not a strategy. It's a trap. Most traders lose money, quietly, repeatedly. Not because they are stupid, but because they react. Markets are emotional, and emotion is expensive. Fear creates selling, right at the bottom. Greed creates buying, right at the top. Both feel right, both are wrong. The biggest gains didn't come from trading, they came from waiting. Holding is boring, that's why it works. Years of patience, no constant action. Years of ignoring noise, while others panic. The calm investor wins, silently. Because time does the work, not effort. Bitcoin rewards conviction, not activity. You don't need more trades, you need more clarity. Sometimes the best move is doing nothing. Ignore short-term chaos, zoom out. Focus on the long term, that's where truth lives. Build your system, follow it. Discipline beats emotion, every time.